In the long and bloody struggle between Israelis and Palestinians, one underappreciated front has been the war of perception, the battle to shape global narratives through misinformation and cynical stagecraft. As this sobering account reveals, Palestinian leaders have proven masters at manufacturing fictional accounts of Israeli atrocities to garner international sympathy and denounce the Jewish state as a brutal oppressor. The roots of this deceptive strategy predate Israel's founding, with Palestinian officials spreading lurid tales of Jewish militias massacring Arab civilians in the village of Deir Yassin in 1948, though later admitted as propaganda fabrications to make the most of the event. The inflammatory allegations helped galvanize Arab opposition to the embryonic Israeli state. Tragically, the Deir Yassin fiction established a modus operandi that Palestinian propagandists continue to embrace to this day. In scene after scene from the conflict, Palestinian spokespeople have proven brazen in inventing accounts of Israeli atrocities against innocents. They have circulated gruesome images misrepresented as Jewish violence. They have even brazenly usurped photographs of Nazi concentration camp victims to decry supposed Israeli massacres. During the 2018 Gaza border riots, this pattern of distortion played out in real time, as Palestinian terror groups heartbreakingly used civilians, including young children, as human shields, then purposefully aimed to portray tragic casualties as Israeli maleficents. One Palestinian medic celebrated as a martyr was later revealed as a terror operative boasting of serving as a human shield. Even the death of an infant was exploited as a propaganda prop before discovery she had perished from natural causes. In fueling this insidious counter-narrative of Israel as a remorseless, criminal enterprise, Palestinian leaders have found an arguably willing partner in the United Nations. UN bodies have lent credibility to these fictitious calumnies, obsessively condemning Israel for the purported excessive use of force while whitewashing substantive abuses by other states. For the Palestinian cause, manufacturing victimhood has proven an effective strategy in swaying global public opinion. Yet in choosing relentless deception over honest negotiation, Palestinian leaders have also squandered opportunities for a just and lasting peace. The true victims of this mendacious propaganda war are the Palestinian people themselves. And the insult to historical truth is a legacy that will blacken the names of all who embraced it.